only count when they clear the table. No pickers on assassins. Pass this goal to your right. And last, loser shotgun, the suicide. Oh, we win! Let's go! Looks like we have our first victim there, partner. Hot dog. Saddle up, buddy. Take a Xan, Mila Jovovich. You're not the only one packing heat. I can take care of myself. Have you guys seen a gun? No, not the face, man. Stop it. Not the face.
All right, you're like studying to be a teacher.
Advertising.
Advertising. So cool.
And it's going well?
Yeah, it's going really well.
Badass.
Amaze.
I love those Geico ads, man.
Oh, wait, what were you guys doing? Oh, nice, man. You ever wonder what if when we pulled one over, instead of writing them a ticket, we just killed them instead? I mean, if it's only a couple at night, that could work. Fit them in the trunk. And there's our old storage unit behind the station we can dump the bodies in. I think there's only one key, and I have it. Maybe do it 3 or 4 nights, then get the hell out of Dodge. I got family on the other side of the border we could stay with. And eventually, smell get noticed. And knowing the way things go around here, they'll just think it's a dead raccoon and be like, whatever.
Mortimer, come in. Over.
Shit. Why do people look so fucking funny when they freak out? Go ahead, Nev.
Swear I hate you sometimes.
Chief just walked by and wants the two of you back at the station, like, now.
Whew. Copy that. We'll head right over. Oh my gosh, man. Dude, I don't have any family in Mexico. I can't even speak Spanish, you racist fuck. Bienvenidos, damas y caballeros. Lleva Francisco Covarrubias. Yeah. Muy chistoso. Sorry, man. Don't fucking judge me.